Imagine a world where the mysteries of unidentified flying objects are no more thanks to the US Congress. A world where the veil is lifted off the unknown and the secrets of the skies are revealed. This is not the domain of science fiction, but a reality unfolding right now. Let's talk about the recent move by the US Congress. In an unprecedented move, they've passed a directive mandating the release of records related to UFOs. Not just any records, mind you, but those that delve into the heart of the unknown. We're talking about unidentified anomalous phenomena, technologies of unknown origin, and even the tantalizing possibility of non-human intelligence. The directive is known as the UAP Disclosure Act, or for those who prefer a more personable touch, the Schumer-Rounds Amendment. The legislation has set a timeline for declassification, a quarter of a century, 25 years from the creation of these records, unless the president decides to keep them under wraps. It's a countdown to potential revelation, a ticking clock towards uncovering truths that have long been hidden in the shadows. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The original legislation had a bit more teeth, aiming to declassify records relating to publicly known sightings of UFOs without review. However, this measure was removed, leaving us with the current version of the legislation. And here's where things get a bit complicated. While the move towards transparency is a step in the right direction, not everyone is satisfied with the final version of the legislation. Critics argue that it lacks certain provisions that could have led to the disclosure of important UAP-related records. However, not everyone is satisfied with the outcome of this legislation. A broader disclosure movement has been gaining traction over the years. In a quest for transparency and understanding, advocates for the disclosure of unidentified anomalous phenomena, or UAP, have been pushing for the release of records and information. However, their hopes were somewhat dashed with the final version of the UAP Disclosure Act, also known as the Schumer-Rounds Amendment. They feel the act lacked certain provisions that would have led to the disclosure of crucial UAP-related records. In response to this growing movement, the Department of Defense took a step towards demystifying these phenomena by establishing the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, known as the AARO. The role of the AARO is to collect and study reports of UFOs or UAPs near US military installations. Their mission is to gather data, analyze it, and hopefully make some sense of what's out there. However, it's not all alien invasions and extraterrestrial technologies. The AARO has yet to find any credible evidence of off-world activities or technology. The skies above us remain a mystery, filled with unexplained phenomena, but so far no little green men or warp drives. But the Department of Defense is not alone in its efforts to understand these phenomena. The world is watching, waiting, and wondering about what's out there. The question remains, are we alone in the universe? And if we're not, who or what is sharing it with us? NASA too is taking strides to demystify these anomalies. In a curious turn of events, the space agency has commissioned a study, a concerted effort to better collect and analyze data related to unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs as they are commonly known. This initiative underscores NASA's commitment to understanding the nature of these mysterious occurrences. In parallel, former US Navy aviators and a Pentagon intelligence officer have stepped into the spotlight, testifying about their encounters with anomalous objects in military airspace. Their accounts have added another layer to the enigma, fueling the intrigue and raising questions that demand answers. But they are not alone in their pursuit. Some members of Congress have formed a UAP caucus, a collective focused on supporting the release of UFO-related records. This caucus serves as a beacon for transparency, advocating for the declassification of information that might shed light on these puzzling phenomena. This is only the beginning, as more and more efforts are being made to unveil the secrets of the unknown. So as we stand at the precipice of discovery, these efforts could unravel the universe's enigmas. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.